my tent site last night, all packed up and on my back. This is grateful setup. Radio Coyote, Showtime, river was over there. Shelter is in the back over there. Back there. Privy over there. I had a bear box here. And Kamikaze was in the trees up there. It's 7:30, March 31st, and just heading out of camp. Don't know what the temperature is because I don't have cell phone service out here, so I don't really have any data. But it doesn't feel very cold, and it was not very cold last night. Felt nice in my tent. Slept well, and believe that Honey Stinger, Bub, and Fell are coming to visit tomorrow to hike a little bit of the section of the Grayson Highlands with me. But I couldn't confirm with them last night because I didn't have the cell service, as I mentioned. And so as soon as I get up on this ridge, I believe I'll get some cell service, and I'll be checking in with them. So plan today can vary just depending on what their plans are. I'm either doing 12 to the shelter up there, which would be a short day, but it would line up with where they would park to come meet me. Or I'm gonna do 17 and a half to get just outside of Grayson Highlands Park so that I can camp there. You can't tent camp inside the park because of the ponies. So anyway, that's the options for today, and I'm about to get climbing, so I'm gonna put this phone away and get moving. Let's see, trail goes up that way. You know what we do. Let's go. It's always kind of a shock when you are in the woods and it's all quiet, and then you come out of the woods and all of a sudden you hear a car. Oh, there's a road. Yeah, all right, not sure where this goes. But I do know the trail goes that way, and that's where I'm headed. Let's get back in the woods. What's up, radio? It's raining, kind of cold, and just crossed over a gate, and gonna be climbing up to Mount Rogers. I think it's 4.5 miles up there. So the trail is going this way, and I'm gonna put this away and move my feet. Let's go. right, here's a recap for today. Hiked 12 miles today into Grayson Highlands. It was cold and rainy, and the original plan was to do about 17 and a half, or maybe 22. I think that was Wolfie's plan. But it was really cold and rainy, and we got to this shelter at 12 miles in, and decided the smart thing to do was call it a day. So we got a good group in here. We got stickers, we got Wolfie laying down, we got Kamikaze over there, Grateful over there, and upstairs, here's a little ladder leading upstairs. We got Radio Coyote, Big Tuna, Showtime, and a section hiker whose name we're not sure. We don't know. So yeah, it was a good day. A little bit shorter miles than what we wanted, but we didn't want to breeze through and miss the Grayson Highlands with a bunch of rain and wind. So plan is tomorrow to hike out when it stops raining, maybe a little bit before it stops, and hopefully we will see some ponies. So follow along, appreciate all the support, and hopefully I can show you some ponies tomorrow.